For addition,
Yes. Lordship, here MS piece of property will appear, Your Lordship. Today he informed that her mother is seriously ill and hospitalized, Your Lordship. So she pays for some accommodation. Your Lordship.
Have we informed the other side?
Others you already informed, Your Lordship.
It is submitted.
Before vacation, others I said that before vacation, Lordship, may I pay for 22nd
22nd,
of June?
at the request of Miss P. Chakraborty, Learned Council is paying for the respondent. For the respondent, this matter again on the 22nd of June 2026. Full stop. It is observed that in the earlier order, Ms. Chakraborty had been shown to be appearing for the petitioner. Full stop. However, from record, it is shown that she appears for the respondents.
item 2.
In this case, petitioner behind the bar 11 months, 17 days, Lordship today.
170?
11 months, 17 days, Lordship. Nearby 1 year, Lordship. Behind the bar. The earlier occasion, Your Lordship rejected on the ground that at this stage, informant and other victim's statement was not recorded that time. Now their statement is recorded. I have annexed. This is my limited prayer, Lordship. If with any condition, Lordship, petitioner may be released on bail. He's a 19
What
years
does their
old.
statement say?
Lordship,
Have you seen? Huh?
6-year-old.
6-year-old.
6 years old. He's a 18, that time 18 years old boy. Nearby there.
18 years old boy having some
kindly period the record with
18
limited care. Lordship.
18, 19, whatever with a
Whatever
17,
the
18
outcome-
lady is all right. 6-year-old.
Yes. Yes.
Huh?
Whatever with outcome will, Lordship, he will face consequences in this case after completion of trial, Lordship. That limited were only for
On the
bail.
other hand,
1 year,
this will be set off.
1 year,
This will be set off.
1 year behind the bar, Lordship. And out of
How many PWs in
8,
Already examined out of 8.
out of
8.
8?
4 examined, 4 is
4 left.
Oh, the trial is also going in a.
going
25th of March. From 25th of March, 4 already done.
done. So that's why, Lordship, on limited prayer with any condition, Lordship, may be released on bail. This is only for bail prayer, Lordship. Nothing else. Whatever outcome will come, Lordship, after completion of trial, he will face, Lordship. This is that depend his case, Lordship, before the trial court. This is my limited prayer, Lordship. Since 1 year date of occurrence, Lordship, is behind the bar. That's all.
What is this video evidence of the medical report is here? No. Medical report is here.
Record.
Huh? Nothing points to your,
Lordship.
nothing
fear is
points that there might be some,
My fear is that
nothing
Lordship,
points to your innocence, to
since
your
one-
probable innocence. Huh?
1 year he is behind the bar, Lordship. After outcome, Lordship, whatever will outcome, he will face, Lordship. Just for face the trial.
Tell us,
Lordship.
before we grant a bail, has there not to be a situation where we
With
should be
any
convinced
With any condition.
that there is some probability of your innocence?
With any
Medical
condition.
report is against you. The statements are all against you.
Lordship, with any condition.
You are
Lordship.
not pointing out any procedural flaw.
Since 1 year he is
Huh?
behind the bar, Lordship.
1 year I am considering the gravity of the
Gravity
offense and
of
the
the-
punishment is proved. That is.
It will be like, it will be 20.
So considering that aspect, my lord, 1 year is.
With any condition, he will cooperate with the trial, Lordship.
Show me something that we should reject the bill. Huh.
Different step giving carrots the longevity of their. I am facing some. Take note that the Dr. Williams stated that in such cases where it was tried under section 29, Lordship. So in such cases, your Lordship, this liberty and under section 20, article 21 of the Constitution of India cannot be claimed, your Lordship. Detention, if there's such, in such cases, if detention is made, such claim. Liberty for the accused cannot be secured, Lordship, if there is a question of greater good of the society. Yet, Lordship will find several cases, but this is one of such case where the victim, alleged victim is your Lordship is a child of 6 years old.
Whatever will outcome, Lordship, he will face, Lordship. Whatever will, if
Lordship,
proof, Lordship, finally. So,
sir, if we go through the PWs, whatever have taken by the court, the 4 PWs, the family members, they have remained true and corroborated the story of the fixing and the insertion of the currently the 90-day Lordship. So, even if he's kept behind the rug, this will be existed. If he is given
now, Lordship,
these cases are 3 cases before the Honorable Court. Such cases remains as an example to the society of Lordship. And a person in one more, your Lordship, they are in the petition, they have stated about boundary distance.
Hmm?
No parents can make their child, such a young child, kind of such a vulnerable stage for a trivial matter like a boundary dispute or something.
You were arrested on?
on Lordship, 23/6/2025, Lordship. Already informant, victim, and another witness, Lordship. Family members already recorded the statement, cross-examined, Lordship. Now there is no hampering, tempering, nothing, Lordship, at this stage.
Just
Since 1 year,
Heard. The learned counsel is paying for the.
I will also place one judgment.
Huh?
I'll send it to the court, my lord.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel is paying for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. R. Kaushik learned counsel is paying for the appearing as the APP. Ms. Das appears as the amicus appointed. It's good. This is the second bill application preferred by the petitioner in connection with
special POCSO case 59/2025.
Special POCSO case number pending in the court of
Court of Special Court, Special Judge Vishwanath Saril.
this court by an earlier order had rejected BA number 4006 of 2025. Stop. By the order dated 23/2/2026, full stop. In the aforesaid order, it was observed as follows. Page 24. Huh? Next observer. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that in the meantime, prior to filing of this present bill petition, the evidence of 4 prosecution witness has been recorded, and therefore now there is no chance of the petitioner hampering or tampering with the evidence of to be produced by the prosecution. Full stop. The prosecution has listed 8 witnesses to be produced during the trial. Full stop. Ms. P. Das, learned counsel appearing appearing as the amicus, has placed reliance on Egida judgment so and so to emphasize that not only the aspect of the applicant of the accused hampering or tampering with the evidence of the prosecution is to be considered, the other aspects have also to be taken into account. Full stop. In this particular case, she has submitted that the accused is a victim aged about 6 years, and the earlier order itself reflects the pecuniary condition, etc., of the victim and the family. Full stop. She has submitted that in such circumstances, it may not be in the interests of justice or interests of law to allow the petitioner the privilege of bail. Full stop. The learned APP has placed reliance on a judgment of the apex court in so and so versus so and so, reported as so and so, to resist the prayer for bail of the petitioner. Full stop. We have gone through the trial court records which have been received from a cursory perusal. It does not appear to it does not appear that the petitioner at this stage would be entitled to the privilege of bail. Let's stop. Accordingly, this bail petition is rejected at this stage. Let's stop. A to D body.
There are 15 and 16 are eligible.
Once the trial commences, it should be allowed to reach its final conclusion.
This is correct. I am not present.
Moment the High Court exercises a discretion in favor of the accused and orders for released, it will have its own impact on the trial.
This is not a highlighted case, Lordship, in this
Of
area.
whom? Of whom?
Lordship, in this area,
This is regarding a POCSO case.
they are residing in the nearby house, Lordship.
That is the whole problem.
Incident has been.
That is the whole problem.
That's why, Lordship, with any condition, Lordship, I am.
In the earlier bail petition, we had observed that she was even unable to approach.
Now, unable to approach, that's why her financial condition, both
Whatever
family are poor, Lordship.
Now-
Not I am the capitalist, Lordship. I am also entitled a IAY house. This photo was produced last occasion before your Lordship. This is the IAY house sanctioned by the government to my father, Lordship. Both family are financially weak,
The moment
Lordship.
you say 18, 19 years, and the moment they say 6 years, that is where the trouble begins.
I am not.
That is where the entire trouble begins.
Only bail, Lordship. Whatever
Because,
come, Lordship.
see, it is not only the liberty that we have to keep in view. 18 years old boy, a small indication that he may be innocent. We try to see that his rest of the life is not hampered when he is not put in company of persons who would trouble him in the jail, who would have an impact on his
In the
adolescent brain,
gravity of an offense.
young adult brain. But then one who is already, who appears to be not innocent, letting him roam about free in the society as of now, when the trial is going on the face of the judgment of the Supreme Court, a little apprehensive.
Gravity of offense.
Matured people having a fight amongst themselves. Some adult lady saying that this man did this to me and this
Rape
to me,
is
that's
not-
all right.
Rape is not.
6-year-old.
Lordship, that
Huh?
he used his finger. This is the main allegation, not the rape, Lordship. In
The touch itself,
Touch her
the
body.
sight, the thought,
This is admitted.
the
As per
thought is all that you need. Next.
obliged.
So we have said at the end of it, at this stage. Yes, sir.
Yes. Lordship, on the strength of the protection granted by this Honorable Court, the accused appeared, page 23 and 24. accused appeared before the learned trial court,
Hmm.
and learned trial court has taken him into custody and sent to judicial.
23 and 24.
Page 23 and 24. 24, your lordship, he filed an application, bail application that was rejected, and he was taken into custody, your lordship. From 22nd of April, I was behind the bar, 49 days, your lordship. And also, lordship may kindly come to page 16, the 164 statement.
Page 16.
16.
60.
Oh, no, 16, 16.
Oh, yes.
The last two lines of the statement of the victim, your lordship. Peluram Deorie মোৰ লগত কোনো বেয়া কাম কৰা নাই. Second 4 is there. So is there. And 341 and